Okay, we're over at our mounting wall now, and we've pre-mounted all the Unistrut to the wall according to the measurements provided in the plans. We'll have double strut up top and single strut at the bottom. It's important to note that this strut is mounted to studs because this is going to hold the heaviest part of the equipment, which is the H.E. Anderson injectors.
It's best to have two people to assemble this, and we're going to start with the top first, then add in the blend tank, and then go to the monitoring loop lastly.
We are using a laser level. If you have one, great. If not, just use a standard bubble level. It's fine. We're using 1-inch Unistrut pipe clamps to mount this to the wall. That is the most secure option available. We recommend using Unistrut for this mounting, especially because when you have double strut like this, it gives enough space out from the wall so that the blend tank can actually sit flat against the wall and not be butting up against it. Right now, Sean is assembling each of the strut clamps. It just consists of 2 pieces, a bolt, and a nut. And we just tighten it down with a standard wrench. And you'll notice, like Sean mentioned before, as soon as we get it up on the wall, that bow in the injection T manifold goes away because you can force the piping to wherever you need it to be. And we're going to bring in the blend tank now. All we need to do is match up this union collar to the part that's on the manifold there. Okay. Should be light enough that we can just hold it here as it is. Now we're cinching up the last part of the manifold. It's important to cinch these unions down before you mount anything